Hello everyone, today we will learn some word problems. Yes, here now third one. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree Celsius. So see in the sense, so this is the degrees Celsius. So at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after process begins? Yes, so first what do you understand that question means? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature to be lowered in the sense decreasing. Yes, so whenever we are starting that, so for that room temperature should be 40 degrees Celsius. Yes, after that every 1 hour the room temperature should be decreasing. How much? For every 1 hour 5 degree Celsius we can decrease. Yes children, so what will be the room temperature 10 hours after? Yes, so whenever we are starting the process, the room temperature should be 40 degrees Celsius. Yes, every 1 hour the every 1 hour room temperature should be decrease. Yes children, so how much? 5 degrees Celsius. So after 10 hours what is the room temperature? Yes, so first whenever we are starting that 40 degrees Celsius, after 1 hour in the sense -5. Yes, so it is that lowered in the sense decreasing. So decreasing means we have to do that minus or subtraction. Lowered means minus we should do it. Yes, for every 1 hour 5. So whenever we are starting the room temperature, so what is that? 40. So for 1 hour 40 minus 5, how much? 35. Yes, so again after next hour 35, again -5. So how much? 30. So like that it will be decreasing. Yes, so up to the 10 hours. So we can see that a certain freezing process room temperature should be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. Yes, for every 1 hour room temperature should be lowered. So how much? 5 degrees Celsius. Yes, so for 10 hour, first we can calculate that 10 hours how much of room temperature should be decreased. First 10 hour it will be that. Yes, so for 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius, for 10 hour, so then 5 degrees Celsius into 10. So total how much? 50 degree Celsius. So total in 10 hours how much the room temperature should be decreased? 50 degree Celsius. Yes, so after 10 hours. So here asking that after 10 hours what is the room temperature? So whenever we are starting that, so what is the room temperature? 40. After 10 hours? 50. Yes, so here both we should do that minus. Why we are doing the minus means here asking that lower the temperature, not increasing the temperature, lower the temperature. So that's why we are doing the subtraction. Now 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. Yes, so 40 minus 50, how much? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. So just before we are learning that no addition or subtraction of integers. Yes, now 40 minus 10. So here how much? Minus 10 degree Celsius. So here 40 degrees Celsius, no, first 1 hour how much the temperature should be decreased? 35. So minus 5. So every 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius should be decreased, no. So first 1 hour 35, next hour 30, next hour 25, next hour 20, like that it should be decreased. How many hours? 10 hours. So at last final, what is the room temperature after 10 hours? 10 degree Celsius. Yes, so this is a question. Clear children? Now coming to the next question. In a class test containing 10 questions. Yes, so suppose whenever you are writing that 10 questions exam, so this is like that imagination, so like that exam only. So in a class test containing 10 questions, so 10 questions of that exam, right, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. So 3 marks are awarded nothing but for every correct answers 3 marks. Yes, so 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Suppose one question it is the correct. So how many marks? 3 marks. 2 questions correct. So 2 3s are 6 marks. 3 questions correct. 3 3s are 9 marks. So like that. So in case of that question is the correct. So how many marks are awarded? 3 marks. Yes. And next, for correct answer, and minus 1 marks is for every incorrect answer. Incorrect nothing but wrong answer. Yes, so wrong answer also here negative marks will be there. So how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 means we have to cut it. Okay, so cut the marks. Yes, for every incorrect answer, in case that question is the wrong, so minus 1 mark should be decreasing. Yes, so 0 for questions not attempt. If you are not attempting the question, you are not writing that question, So for that 0 marks. Okay, if you are whenever you are writing the exam, if it is the question is the correct, so 3 marks. It is the wrong, minus 1 mark. So yes children, now here 3 questions will be there. Now let me see that. First one, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. So total how many questions he wrote? 5 correct, 5 incorrect. So how many questions he wrote? 10 questions. In the 10 questions, 5 questions should be correct and 5 should be incorrect answer. So what is his score? Yes, so first let me see that answer. Yes children, in a class test questions are how many? 10. For correct answer how many marks? 3 marks. For incorrect answer how many marks? Minus 1. Yes, so Gopi gets 5 correct answer. Yes, so 5 questions are correct. So each correct question how many marks? 3 marks. So 5 3 is a 15 marks should be. So he scored for only that correct answer. And remaining 5 questions are incorrect. So incorrect questions are how many? 5. For incorrect question how many marks will be there? Minus 1. So here 5 questions into minus 1. So 5 into minus 1. Yes. So in previous class multiplication of integer we learn no? Here 5 positive integer and minus 1 is the negative integer. Plus into minus. How much? Minus. Yes, plus into minus, minus, then 5 ones are 5. So 5 into minus 1, minus 5 marks. Yes, so here how much marks Gopi scored? Gopi scored is, yes, out of that, okay, 10 questions, 5 questions are correct, 5 are incorrect. For correct questions, how many marks? 15 marks. And again incorrect, 5 marks. Yes, so 15 minus 5. Yes, so total how many marks? 15 minus 5, 10 marks. Yes children, so this is that Gopi score. Yes, so once again I am explaining. Gopi gets 5 correct answer. 5 correct answer. Each correct question how many marks? 3 marks. Yes, so then 5 3s are 15 marks. Yes, so again that remaining 5 questions are incorrect. Yes, so for incorrect question how many marks will be there? Minus 1. So 5 into minus 1. So plus into minus, minus. So 5 ones are 5. So minus 5 marks. So total, so out of the 10 questions 5 are correct, 5 are incorrect. So whenever correct marks are incorrect marks, so total we are adding, so then only that is that Gopi score. Yes, so Gopi score is correct questions marks are 15 and incorrect are minus 5. So then 15 minus 5 is the 10 marks. Yes, so here one more also is there. Next, Reshma gets 7 correct answer and 3 incorrect answer. What is her score? Yes, so here this girl gets 7 correct answer and 3 incorrect. So 7 plus 3 how much total? 10 questions. Yes, out of the 10 questions 7 are correct, 3 are incorrect. Yes children, just before how we are writing that, like that only. So correct questions are 7. So each correct question how many marks? 3 marks. So 7 3s are 21 marks. Again how many incorrect questions? 3. Yes, so each question how many incorrect negative marks will be there? For incorrect question how many marks will be there? Minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Yes, so plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. So 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So here for correct questions how many marks? 21. For incorrect, minus 3. So 21 minus 3 is 18. So what is the Reshma score is? 18 marks. Yes children. So as usual just before like that Gopi question like that only, but here 5 correct, 5 incorrect. Here 7 correct questions, 3 are incorrect questions. So correct questions multiply with 3 and incorrect questions multiply with minus 1. So then after both we should subtract it. Yes, here one more question is there. Yes, Rashmi gets 3 correct, 4 incorrect answer. Out of 7 questions he attempt. So what is her score? Yes, first Rashmi how many questions are correct? 3 questions. How many are incorrect? 4 questions. So out of 10 how many questions she wrote? 4 plus 3 7 questions she wrote. So remaining 3 she didn't write. So that's why, so we can find that only these 7 questions, okay, marks. So what about the remaining 3 questions? So for not attempting the question is 0 marks will be there. Yes, now let me see that. Yes children, Rashmi gets correct questions are how many? 3. Yes, so 3 each correct question how many marks? 3 marks. So 3 3s are 9 and incorrect questions are how many? 4. So then 4 into incorrect question how many marks? -1. So 4 into -1 -4. Yes, so total her score is correct questions are how many marks? 9 and incorrect -4. So 9 minus 4 is 5 marks. Yes children, so what is the Rashmi score is 5 marks. Clear children?